Hey besties, welcome to Fem Nature. It's London. If you're new here, I help women shift from burnout to soft life through self-care, self-love, and glow tips. If that is something that you're interested in, definitely hit that subscribe button and join the Lux Babes. And let's get right into this video. So this video is all about the It Girl Fall Glow Up Guide. I have a whole blog post about this, so I'll link that down below. But as we approach the fall season, the It Girl has already planned and prepped her looks, her activities, her hobbies the season prior. So in the spring/summertime, she has already planned what she would be looking like, what she would be smelling like, and what she would be doing in the fall. And that's literally what It Girls do. They stay ahead of the game, and they don't wait for the season to come. They already have everything that they want to do down to the T, and I'm gonna tell you what the It Girl has. So if you're interested in that, definitely keep on watching. So the It Girl has already curated her looks throughout the summer. She already starts shopping on off season, so that's when things go into sale. You could go to Nordstrom Rack. That is my favorite place to shop, especially off season, to grab stuff for the fall. Primark is a great place as well. You could go to your high-end designer boutiques like Saks Fifth, Neiman Marcus, and stores like that. But I love shopping off season for the season to come. I just feel like I get a better bang with my buck when I do that. The good things are always on sale when the summertime comes, and literally I can have my closet full of good pieces for the fall. The It Girl gathers her inspiration from YouTube, Pinterest, and just her fashion icons that she looks up to. So Pinterest is definitely my go-to. I love going on Pinterest. I feel like I have, let's actually check how many pins I have for outfits. I have 4.7 thousand outfits pinned. And that's not even including other categories that I have on my Pinterest. But yeah, she uses Pinterest to really get a good idea of what she's going to wear, how she's going to wear it, and just a good inspo and vision board for her style. The It Girl has many different styles. She could be a boho type of girl. She could be a chic, classic, modern type of girl. She could be the fashionista that loves the colors, the big jewelry. She could also be the minimalistic type of woman that the simplest outfit just looks good. And also with shopping and curating her look, she definitely declutters her closet and gets rid of all the things that don't fit her, all the things that don't fit her personal style, the things that just don't need to be in her wardrobe this coming season. She definitely either gives them to people that she knows would value them, or she would give them to Goodwill or a shelter, a women's shelter, so that way her clothes are going to good use versus just throwing them in the trash and just having her wardrobe be a waste. I feel like people call me when I'm recording, so please excuse that. I would consider myself an It Girl because I live by these things. I only speak about the things that I actually live by, and I would say that the It Girl is always ahead. It Girl is always strategic, and she just plans out her fashion, her lifestyle in a way that best fits her. So I'm gonna tell you guys the things that the It Girl would have on her fall list. She would have trench coats, a wool type of material, a cashmere trench coat. She has a good trench coat, especially if she lives on the more colder side of the world, so like the East Coast. I live on the East Coast, so I know that for fall I have to have a good coat, not just a cute coat, a good and cute coat, because it gets freezing up here. Okay, thigh-high boots, thigh-high heels, and she just adds those into her wardrobe if she doesn't already have them from the previous fall season. So if you don't want to spend a lot of money with your fall wardrobe, you definitely need to invest in pieces that will last you years to come. I know fast fashion is very affordable and very easy to put your hands on and grab items, but certain things you just need to invest in. Don't get me wrong, some fast fashion items definitely last a long time. I have these boots that I got from Rainbows for like 4 years now, and they were only $20. So You just have to invest in like good material. It doesn't matter the price tag, because you can get something from the thrift store that was $3 and they're probably still lasting you for years to come. The It Girl has thigh-high boots, thigh-high heels. She has Uggs in her rotation for the fall. She also invests in cardigans and sweaters, wool cardigans or wool cashmere sweaters, things that would definitely keep her warm. But if you're in a more warmer state, like I know California doesn't get that cold, Texas doesn't get that cold, those falls are very different. You could still wear like a light t-shirt and some jeans, probably a light sweater, because it doesn't get that cold out there, and still be fashionable. But I would say this video is more so for the people that live on the East Coast, because it gets very cold. So scarves, sweaters, heavy jackets, especially for those fall cold nights, because normally it gets warm in the day and then colder at the nighttime. She definitely has some good leather goods in her wardrobe that she could rotate, whether it's black, nude, neutral, or if she's into the bright pops of colors, she would definitely have that in her wardrobe as well. Cute purses that are very constructed and very well, whether it's a designer piece or just an affordable Amazon dupe, or you can find some cute purses on Shein. Now you can't go wrong with a little black dress for the fall time. Like, I feel like black is so universal. You could wear so many things with black, whether it's gold jewelry, silver jewelry, pearls. Black is just something that is cute, and when you're in a rut of what to wear for the week or what to wear for the day, a cute black dress is something that would answer all of your problems, especially if you pair it with some nice thigh-high boots, a cute purse, and maybe a long trench coat. That is definitely a good outfit to wear. I'm going to record a fall outfit inspo video for you ladies. I love fashion, so fall is definitely a time that I love to dress up and, you know, wear all the things. So I will definitely have that video coming soon. I'm just waiting on some packages so that way I can have the looks for you ladies. Now the It Girl has a season fragrance, or a fragrance for the season. That is something that is more warmer. It can be more nuttier, more smoky, something that is very romantic and relaxing. I love scents that are like that for the fall. I love the Zara Dark Romance. That is like a great fall scent. It is very warm and sexy. I love Baccarat Rouge. Those are like my staples for all year. That's my staple for all year round. But for the fall time, it really just smells even more delicious. And I love a more vanilla type of scent. I would get like a sandalwood vanilla type of scent. I haven't found the perfect vanilla scent for the fall yet. I'm still on the market for that, but I have picked up a perfume from Marshalls and TJ Maxx. They are just not sold online, so I don't know how I would be able to share the details with you. But just a cute vanilla scent. Something like that is something that is very fall festive. So she has a signature scent for the season. Since the fall is all about warm browns and neutral tones, she can either dye her hair to match the season. A lot of people go light in the summer, go dark in the fall and winter. So let's say if you wear blonde in the summer or just a light brown, then you would go more darker, more warm to like an auburn or a chocolate brown in the fall, a darker blonde if you still want to be blonde. So I had changed my hair color for the fall. I love a highlighted hairstyle for the fall. I love a fall festive type of hair. Other than my jet black hair, that is all year round, but I wanted to do something that was more fall festive. I'm also into like the ash blonde for the fall. I have a whole Pinterest board on the type of hair colors that I want to experiment with the fall. I feel like the It Girl literally dedicates her look to the season. Her nails, she probably does black nails or dark burgundy nail polish, or like a classic French, but something that is very fall festive. it just goes well with the season. The It Girl also has activities that she indulges in just so she has a more fulfilling life. And when I say she plans ahead, she plans ahead. She has her calendar already set for September, October, November, and then December is for the winter months. So she has horseback riding activities going on, pumpkin picking, apple picking, but it all depends on the area of the country you are, because some things are not in season as they are for other people. Something that somebody from the East Coast would definitely be indulging in, that is something that I'll be indulging in. I'll be riding horses this fall, and I would just have like an enriched fall season. Halloween is one of my favorites holidays, and I am also an October baby, so that is something that I would definitely be indulging in, and I'm so excited. But yeah, having a calendar full of activities, you can drink apple cider, make apple cider with your friends, go hay riding with your friends, doing a lot of things that would boost, you know, your dopamine levels in the fall, because once it gets colder, you start to have like seasonal depression. Sometimes people get sick, so you just want to keep yourself happy and keeping yourself doing fun activities. You can also do either candle making this fall or perfume making this fall, because you would get to create your signature scent for the fall. I'm actually gonna do that this season. She also does hobbies. With the summertime, you're more on the go, so you don't really have time to indulge in the sit down type of relaxing hobbies like scrapbooking, typing, blogging, video recording, and all of that. So she indulges in hobbies like knitting, scrapbooking, and, you know, painting, things that are more relaxing and stationary versus things that are always on the go, especially with the summertime versus the fall season. You are more at home, you're more indoors, so having hobbies that you can do while you're indoors is something that is very fulfilling, very fun, and everybody should try it. And like I said, as the season changes, so does your mood. So the It Girl always prioritizes her mental health. Being a therapist, journaling out her feelings, journaling out her moods, or just having a trusted friend to talk about, because as the season gets colder, you're not always going out. The events start to change. You're not always gonna, you know, be available to go out with your friends, because this time people are locking in and preparing for the next year. So she prioritizes her mental health by taking the steps to make sure that everything is good. And she also has more time to read some self-help books and just books in general, probably by a fireplace, probably with her favorite cup of tea, sitting indoors with a cute cozy blanket, watching her favorite show. Whatever that helps your mental health is something that you should be doing, and the It Girl also always prioritizes her mental health. And that is all I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.